good afternoon. This is our first ever Christmas party. AI from the group of Flat Sorter. And we have a lot of food and we just celebrate the birth of Jesus. Yes, Merry Christmas. What do you say? Huh? Oh, this Flat Sorter Christmas party.
Huh?
Flat Sorters Christmas
Ah,
party.
sorry, let us see my video.
Yeah, you can grab. This is a Christmas. Get one. We have a lot of food.
Check like this. Oh, come on, thank you again for this time. Yes, as we start our Christmas celebration, we have a special gift, a special guest from, we call it, oh yeah, Santa Ana PNBC, or Beatles. Alright, everybody, enjoy. Just grab your food and find your seat, and we will have a raffle after a special song from Mr. Paul Sanchez.
Thank you. I just want to sing this song by the Eagles, Please Come Home for Christmas. This is for everybody, especially for the mail handlers, okay? All right. Bells will be ringing, the sad, sad news. Oh, what a Christmas. You have the blues. My baby's gone. I had no friend to wish me good day. Once again, choirs will be singing silent night, Christmas carols by candlelight. Please come home for Christmas. Please come home for Christmas. If not for Christmas, by New Year's night. Friends and relations, send salutations. Sure as the sun shine above, but this is Christmas. Yes, Christmas night to you. Sometime will be to be the one you love. So won't you tell me you never know the road? Christmas and New Year years will find you home. There'll be no more sorrow, no griefs and pain, and I'll be happy, happy once again. Ooh, there'll be no more sorrow, no grief and pain, and I'll be happy Christmas once again. Thank you. There's no volume on the speaker, man. I cannot hear my guitar.
Lý cảnh vô tới rồi.
This is Christmas. What have you done? Another year over. You want to speak. So this is Christmas. I hope you have
Thank you very much, Tom. And of course,
Satu is the man.
you have a gift from
Oh, really?
the group. Here we go. Okay. All right. At this time, we will start the raffle. So everyone will get ready and let's see who is the luckiest person.
I can give you a piece.
Alright, at this time, just get listening. I will ask Sue to come forward to get some. I will request he's the one who is going to
Okay, who's gonna
pick
be the
the
lucky one?
the first lucky one.
Me.
There we go. Make sure you know. This is yes, this is the last person is the winner.
Dado! Dado! Are you cheating? Hey, all the name Dado in there. Oh, Dado there.
I'll pick this one.
它有汽水，有问题不错。汽水的，不是要水的，看那里拿着啊。
Alright, one more time. One more piece. This is the second one.
No, the next one that you pick. Number
This is the
two.
second prize.
Number two. So sit down.
Alright?
You pick. This is okay.
Oh, the lucky winner is Mark!
Alright, Mark. This is your. Hope you like it. Can you open it for me? Why not? You want to open it or just?
Này cây của mình nè.
What looks like I got in here, somebody thinks I'm gonna mess. So I guess it must not be. I got some goodies also, some candies.
Everybody practice over. Thank you, Mark. Next.
Oh my gosh! This is my operator.
Why?
Ben Nguyen. You're the lucky winner. Ben is sleeping. Where's he? Ben. Oh.
He said all that. Okay, you take over.
All right, next. May I call are you busy? Are you busy? Can you come? Or Regina, please. All right.
You lucky. I'm eating. Pick my name.
This is the third winner. This is the third winner. This one here. Come on, get ready, guys.
I want to make one.
Good luck. Bye. Oh, it's a girl. And
Hello?
it's belong to machine.
Hello?
Oh, yes. This is the fourth one. Fourth one, who is the winner? Who is the next winner? Good luck, everyone. Make sure you get your name early. All right. She's belong to machine number 2. And she is the lady. Lady in red.
Who's the lady in red?
She is Miss Didi.
Yay! Didi!
That's for Didi. Congratulations, you're number 4. Lucky number 4. Listen, never goes yesterday. Alright, one more? One more? Okay. What was number 5? Let's see. Oh, but I can't see. I cannot read. I can Oh no! She is a girl from India. Who? Yudita. May I ask Mr. Sean to...
Yeah.
Can you pick one of the ones?
Sean, pick my name.
Anything. This is the...
Pick my name, Sean.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Right, Mr. Sean? Pick one. Not 2. Not 3. And the winner is coming from machine number 6. And she's a girl or she's a boy?
Wow.
She's a girl. Long hair or short hair? Short hair.
Wow.
Asian American.
So.
That is Sue.
Yeah.
Sue. Which one? Open it up. Oh, we just thought about going to London. That's your... Who's going to London? London with... what time? Pick another one, please. Or another gift. Okay. How about this one? The winner of the Mermaid Santa bag is John. John.
John! Oh, yeah! Yes! Oh!
I think this one going to London.
Yeah, John!
Thank you, John. That's good for your trip to London. Another one. I'll give you a perfect going to London.
Yeah.
Alright, who's next going to London? She gonna bring something or she gonna use something? So, who's the winner? No chicken. Alright, there's the one. There's the one. And this looks like you cannot announce. Oh, you cannot. Mr. Jose Flores. One winner. Jose.
Sit down. Well,
All right. We have ten more. May I ask Julie to come forward to pick another one? And I believe this is the next one. Next prize. You're lucky if you the last person.
the winner is Stephen. Okay, we have a dinosaur guy. I wonder what is in here. Alright. Kind of heavy. Alright. Let's see. Alright. The winner is. I don't know how to pronounce this name.
It's from the locals. Mr. Whoa! Governor. Merry Christmas. You will see something?
Open it. Let's see.
Okay, next.
Sexy one. Wow. Sexy one. Yeah. Maybe you were smelling something.
I will put it up. No cheating. All right. Which one? Who's the lady?
Okay, this is a lady. Train.
Open. Open. Open.
Walmart. Happy. Walmart. All right. This is a lady in charge. Who can guess her name? Who's that? Lady in charge. Yes, open, open, open.
Oh no. That's what you're going to use when you're going to London. That's good for problem. All right. Now, we have one more left. 2, 4, yeah. Okay. One more for you. Hold on. Maybe this one. This is the next one.
Winner is also a lady. Lady Kong.
All right. Okay. May I ask who else the one that did not call? Come forward. I think we have only 3.
Yes, right? Ừ, đúng rồi đó. Cho các bạn. That's good. That's good. Thì một ít thôi, $50. Nhớ đâu.
Alright.
Đây là rượu. Cái mai.
I think Miss, what do you call it? He didn't put his name in the bottle. Okay, so we have
This is mine. This is yours.
the next winner.
I didn't get it. You didn't get it. No, I did.
No, he's not.
No, but I did from you.
The fourth one.
Take this one. This one.
There we go.
It's okay, sorry. Còn kia.
Look at that.
Hay là phải có được cái này.
Jack.
Oh, Mr. Bell. Alright. Okay, we
The
have
trip
three more
number
left.
3. The trip go to machine number
Which one
3.
have to come forward? Those who are lactose.
Go to number 3.
Yeah, because these are the big one.
Wow. Wow. Who is that?
Three of them. This is the third prize, second prize, and first prize. This one. Third one first. And then the next one,
Diamond.
take this one. This is the winner. Third prize goes to is in number 2. Mr. Sean.
Yeah.
All right. There are 2 more left. Who is the lucky 2? Which one? Which one? Is the second one and the first one? Okay, I will call Lulu to pick the second one. The grand prize. The first prize.
Kathy.
Oh, Mr. Tani
Annie.
is the winner for today. Tani, welcome. This is the
You winner. You winner. Oh yeah.
you're the winner.
You get the second prize.
This is the ticket going to London.
Yeah.
One way.
1 week London.
Want to say something? Thank you so much.
No, that's it. We love to one. Can I get it?
All right, thank you everyone for joining and thank you for your
Borrow
support.
from 2-1.
Thank you everyone for joining us. And
You take your sock.
if there is anything that you missed, something not very
Yeah.
okay.
No.
I'd like to
to get a round of applause for Mr. Dadu, who helped start this thing and put it all together. And I'm sure he's volunteering next year also. So a round of applause for Mr. Dadu.
Anyone else? Want anyone else to say something? Lulu. All right. I also thank you for the management that they give us time to have this one, and of course our also thank you for this All right, everyone. Merry Christmas, and I will see you next year. And again, enjoy and have a nice day tomorrow.